Alright, since I'm close to beating the game, I'm might as well go and beat it. Go ahead and go through this shit. Kill the last boss, happy ending. Oh boy, I know there's a lot of goodies to grab up ahead and running out of room. I know what I'm gonna do. Go and drag out last little buddy. Ooh, forgot to put the thermal on. Just wasting ammo and shit. 5,000. That's good. Probably would have been a lot scarier. There's like 5 of them in the area, maybe 4. You had to take them all. You had to take them all on at once. That should have been hell of a scary. Money, herb, running out of space. I don't even know why I did that. I was just stupid. It was fine just the way it was. Oh, now I forgot to take off the thermal. Much better. Oh, come on. Couldn't kill him in one hit. What's taking you so long to get up? Come on. I'm gonna use my handgun. Oh, off to a good start. For the handgun, that is. Haven't punished anybody for a while. Oh man. Oh, come on. Come jump down here. Oh, come on, man. Die. Come on, Cupcake. Four shots. Okay, I'm going to clear this area. Hold on, check the door here. Okay, can't get through. Wow, I wasn't even trying to hit them barrels and I still did. Better grab them goodies before they disappear. Dang it. I got no choice. Gotta combine all 3. Oh, no you don't, buddy. Ass. You know what? Fuck it. Camping. How come I didn't see that guy before? I sniped that one dude. Don't bother getting up. Don't come up here. Yeah, I'm all gonna use my flashbang. I ain't using none. Make life easier a little bit. Nothing? What's the point of me opening those? What the? How come his ass wasn't blind? Bullshit. What the hell is that? Is that the key card I need to get out of here? Why would a dude take the key card and come and attack me? But it's like bringing it to me. Say, here you go. You got this key card. That's kind of retarded. Take the key card and come down here and attack me. There's not much to say about how stupid that is. We'll just leave it at that. I'm about to suplex him, but shoot, that's good too. Okay, I'm gonna forget them guys. I'm gonna just get this shit done and get the hell up out of here. I'm gonna pillage while doing this. Oh, I need to activate them first. Okay. One ammo I don't need. Running out of space. Okay, asshole. Get out of here. Alright, get this done so I can go ahead and beat this game and start something new. Oh, buddy. Where'd he come from? Well, it don't matter where he came from. He's dead. I have no space now. Anything I grab, I probably can't pick it up. What kind of voice is that? A vulture's voice? Man with a vulture's voice that speaks Spanish. But then again, that may not even be Spanish they're speaking. It may be some kind of other language. Kind of hilarious. But weird too. Okay, enough lollygagging. Let's get the hell up out of here. Well, if it's ammo, I can pick it up. Ammo, money, and key items or something like that. Free up space. Now I got one free space. Well, there's some good fish. Delicious.